What's going on, fellas? We back with another one, and today we're gonna be doing something to the front of the truck. Man, that exhaust still sounds good. That freaking squeaking belt's getting on my nerves, though. I'm gonna have to order a belt and a pulley and get that freaking squeaking to go away. But yeah, let me show you what we got going on right now. If you know what that is, and you already know what that's gonna be for. And I don't know what this one is. Supposed to be the amber delete for the headlights, but I'm not sure what this one's for. Let me go take a look up here and see. But it's supposed to just be for this here on the side. So I'm not sure what the other one's for. There's no other amber on the front of this thing. Huh. Let me look at this paper that it comes with, see what it says. Because it's just supposed to be the amber delete. Check items for damage. Okay. It says thoroughly clean the surface. So it don't say. Leave vehicle in sun for 24 to 48 hours to allow the vinyl tint to cure before using your lights or washing vehicle. That's kind of weird. It says once you squeegee as much as possible the remaining creases out of the vinyl. Spray some more soapy water between the crease and light. Carefully, slowly heat the crease with a heat gun, hair dryer, to soften vinyl, and squeegee out the crease. Oh, so okay, so we need some soapy water and stuff. But yeah, let me set up this little stand for my phone, y'all. Let's see, because this, I don't know what this is for. What is that for? That don't look like anything on the front of them headlights. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Now this one looks right. This looks like the amber, the pieces for the amber. That does, but I'm not sure what this is for. Huh. But yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna make it look a lot better in the front end. It popped loose. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video for a minute. I'm gonna move my work van and pull my truck over by the little shed we got over here so I can get the heat gun and stuff ready. I'll be right back. All right, fellas, let me show y'all what we got. I think it turned out great. It actually was a lot easier to put on than the one for the Chevy. I think it looks great. Let me shut this door. Everything went on smoothly. So that's good. But yeah, I think it looks better now with that orange gun. I mean, you can still see it, but it's a lot better than what it was, you know. I think it looks a lot better with the old amber delete. I wish I could I need to find, like I had on the Chevy with the forward facing lights blacked out and then the fog lights. I don't think I'm gonna do the headlights this time on this one. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. Does that make it look better? I think it does with the orange gun, because the orange just stuck out like a sore thumb. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll leave a link in the description just in case anybody else wants to buy it. Very easy to do. He's gonna need a heat gun. I just got me a little bit of Dawn dish detergent and some water. It's basically just like 10 windows. And I didn't even use a squeegee. I used a mail opener. But it worked. I mean, there's no bubbles in. There's a little bit, but I think those will go away once it cures a little bit better. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, I got some more stuff coming. I might do another video today on this other thing that I bought. It's some lighting for the front. Still trying to debate on what kind of rims I want to put on this thing, because I'm getting tired of the graps. I mean, I like the look, but I think I'm ready for something else. But man, listen to that exhaust. That thing sounds so good. Like, I wish the cold start starts up in the morning would stay that way the whole time, man. That sounds so good. It sounds like a freaking car, like a V8 car. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the tent there. I got that off Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks. Then they actually sell, I'm gonna order the, well, I don't know, because I'm debating on getting new brake lights for the rear, so they would match the third brake light that I got from Recon. But they do sell the tent for these. But I think it's just for this here. I don't think it's for the sides. I think it's just for the back portion. But yeah, I'll leave a link for this stuff in the description just in case anybody else wants to pick it up. Like I said before, if you guys enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.